Hello all. In this program we are going to learn how to concatenate two strings, that is our practical program number 35, concatenation of two strings. So let us have the question here. Right, as we know, hash include stdio.h, then I will start with integer main. Initially I don't want to use string.h header file to concatenate. The second method I will show with concatenation of two strings with strcat function, which is there in string.h header file. Now I am not declaring string.h header file here. So I will be declaring when str string 1, let us say the size is 100. I will be writing here it is learn with. So I am taking the string 1 like this, str2 of empty, which I am declaring here Wasim Raza. I had taken two different strings, str1 and str2. So I didn't define the length for any of the strings. str1 I had taken with the maximum size. I'll take integer I to move the length of string 1, j to move the length of string 2. For I'll be taking, I would like to concatenate both the strings. For I is equal to 0, I less than, str1 string 1 of I not equals to empty character, that is a backslash 0. Here I will be taking plus plus I, then I will open the bracket. So I will take j here, j is equals to 0. I will move on str2 of j to be with me, right. J to start with this and j to move this, plus plus I comma plus plus j. So S1 of I in the brackets, S1 means str1 of I equals to str2 of j. So first of all what I have to do is, for I is equals to 0, str1 of I not equals to empty characters, that is 0, then I have to make I plus plus and I'll make termination of this. So I already moved here, then I had been copying the string 2 in string 1. Now lastly I'll be adding str1 of I equals to, now I'll be adding the backslash 0 character lastly for termination purpose. Then close this, printf double quotation starts after concatenation percentile s comma str1. Let us see whether it works or not. File, 35 is the program number. Once program got saved, go for compilation, compile the program. It's warning, okay. Then run. After concatenation, learn with Wasim Raza. So we concatenated two strings. So what is before concatenation? Printf here before concatenation percentile s comma str1. Okay. Afterwards this we have to print this so that you can understand it easily. File, save. Here it should be n, that is what the warning. File, save. Compile this, run this. Before concatenation it's learn with only. After concatenation of S1 with S2, S2 is added to S1. Okay. Or else without doing all these things, means we had done this entire code now. So we had done this much code to concatenate two strings. First of all, what I had done, this loop I had taken to move the I value to be at the end of string 1, to be end of the string 1. LEARN space WITH space. So that must be added in the I value. That is what the aim of this for loop. Aim of this for loop is to move I value after this string. Now again we are starting j value for str2, but here I am making plus plus I. Here you observe plus plus I. So it will start after learn with space. Then it will be added like Wasim Raza. That is the fundamental of this program. Okay. So this is simple code for this. Or without writing this entire code, I can make this to be comments. Okay. Then stop this. Here we can write strcat of s1 comma s2, means concatenation of s1 with s2. File, save. Then compile this. So it is asking the header file. What is that header file we need to add is include string string.h. File, save. Then compile. So it is asking s1 undeclared first. Sorry, I taken str1, I taken str2. File, save. Then compile. No errors, no warnings. Then run. So you got the same output with this code, means which is made as comments. Now this is the made as comment code. This is commented code, right? I replaced it with only one line. strcat means this strcat function will work similar to this line of codes. Now I will hide this. I will invoke this. Okay. So I am hiding this only line. File, save. Then compile and run. the output is still same. That's all in this program. Thank you one and all.